Hi everyone! If you want to come to Dubai for a long stay with a large family, settle down near the main attractions, the Central Beach. Enjoy the stunning view of the sea and Dubai Marina, but live in a homely environment with all the amenities, being able to cook, but of course not all the time. And take, for example, included breakfast and not pay all the money in the world for it. Then you should definitely consider the apart hotel Roda Amwaj Suites. In this video, I will tell you about the pros and cons of the hotel, its location, the territory, give you a room tour, of course, tell you about the breakfast, the level of service, and even a little about the beach. The location of the hotel is really awesome. It's located in the Jumeirah Beach Residence, yes, that exact JBR, near the famous Dubai Marina and the most popular city beaches of Marina and JBR. The hotel is located on the second line across the road from the beach in just 3-5 minutes walking distance. Nearby there is the famous seaside promenade, the walk, where there are many shops, cafes, restaurants, clubs and entertainment for all tastes lining the sandy stretches. As for public transport, there is a tram stop almost right next to the hotel entrance. A bus stop is a few minutes walk away, and the metro station is close as well. There are car rentals at the hotel and nearby, and there is also a large underground parking lot in this apartment complex. For the guests, free of charge. There is a Carrefour supermarket and just grocery stores nearby, which is useful if you plan to cook something yourself sometimes. We, for example, cooked at least once a day. There are also pharmacies and shops with beach accessories nearby. The hotel consists of two 25-story buildings located next to each other. You'll have the magnificent view, either on the sea and the Blue Waters Island or on the Dubai Marina with yachts and promenade. Now let's take a look at the apartment itself. The apartment looks a bit tired, but in general everything is fine, clean, and in good working condition. We had three bedrooms, two for adults and one for children, and also a living room, a kitchen. I'll show you all the details in a bit. And a utility room with a clothes dryer, an ironing board, and an iron. All bedrooms have large wardrobes with shelves and hangers, and they have safes. The air conditioners work fine. In one room it was noisy because of the air conditioners hanging outside, but in the others it was quiet. Each room has a small refrigerator, like a minibar, but it's empty. Each room has a book of Quran and a prayer mat. The total area of the apartments is 154 square meters, and with a balcony it's 156. We had a balcony declared in our booking, but there was none. Maybe because we were with children. In the large living room, there are three sofas and a large flat screen TV set. Here, exhausted travelers usually rest. Unfortunately, the TV set didn't work. They promised to send an engineer to fix it, but never did. But we didn't really miss the TV. The apartments have four combined bathrooms and a toilet. Each bedroom has a big combined bathroom with a full size bathtub. There was also one small combined bathroom with a shower and one regular toilet just with a sink. Two bathrooms had hair dryers. In one bathroom, the bath accessories were renewed every day. Toothbrushes, a razor, gel, shampoo, cotton pads, and shower caps. If something was missing, you could always ask. They would bring it quickly. The kitchen is equipped and quite functional. There was enough dishware in the kitchen, pots, plates of different sizes and depths, cups, glasses, all kinds of kitchen utensils, corkscrews, can opener, only the frying pan was not very handy. There was a toaster, but ours was broken. Electric kettle, tea sets, instant coffee, sealed milk, only black tea. Small metal Turkish coffee pot, electric stove, large 12 set dishwasher, and a large refrigerator. The apartment has a boiler. The water flows cold for the first seconds but quickly becomes hot. I think I've already told about a decent washing machine with a dryer. Drinking water is brought every day, both large and small bottles in different quantities. Cleaning was good. They changed the towels every day and renewed everything we asked for. They even made towel swans for us. So sweet. The breakfast is standard, nothing special, a bit monotonous, but generally not bad. There is always fresh omelette, or you can ask to make fried eggs and mix something into your taste. Cold cuts, of course, several kinds of cheese, vegetables, porridge, rice, cereals. No coffee machine, but you can pour coffee from a thermopot. And you could take it away in a paper cup, which is very convenient. Only black tea, I mentioned it already, one kind. Also, cocoa, bakery, croissants, sandwiches, jam, three types of fruit. Yeah, better have a look yourself. There are two small pools on the hotel territory open until late in the evening. You can take clean towels at 10:30 a.m. You can also take towels away to the beach. There is also a gym. Everything is there to work out. And a couple of words about the beach. In early April, there were few people on the beach in the morning. The water is just right, a bit refreshing, but you get used to it quickly. There are many rental points for everything you may need on the beach. One sunbed costs 125 dirhams, and two are for 235, and you can have them for the whole day. And of course, some people also lie on towels. Toilets are free, shower is not. But if you take a sunbed, they give you a bracelet with which you can go to the shower for free. You can take towels with a deposit. This is all I can tell you about this apartment hotel. Hope you liked the video. Please ask questions and see you next time.